Go ahead, my dear.
This is the tutorial for Rain on Me. The first thing we're going to do is doing Lady Gaga's verse. We're going to raise our arms and then do 2 hip circles. Then walk it forward, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Then again, raising our arms, 2 hip circles, then back it up, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Then we're going to pull from the left, pull, pull, up, down, then circle to the left, circle, 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 then pull from the right, pull, pull, up, down, then circle to the right, circle, circle, circle. Then we're going to step forward and out, raise those arms, and then the left arm is going to frame your face, and then push up, up, frame, push up, up. Then we're going to do the same backing up. Back it up, arms up. Then the right arm is going to frame your face, then push up, frame, push up, up. Then from there, it's going to say, rain on me slow. You go, rain on, let's speed it up, 2, and 2 up, then single, 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 and jump. 2 down, 2 up, single, 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 and then a jump. Then you're gonna do a model walk, catwalk. Walk, walk, step, and turn. Walk, walk, step, and turn. Up, and switch, up, down, down. Then from there, it is Ariana Grande's verse. So we're gonna start again from the top. Raising our arms, circle.
And that's it. That's all of the right. Oh no, you have that one other step.
During the bridge, you're going to walk on a diagonal forward, raising your back arm, forward, then 1 and 2, 1 and 2, then back it up,